Hi, my name is Dean Jenkins, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Jason and CAD. What a great organization. You know, I came up with an invention and now I'm holding a prototype in my hand. I can't tell you how exciting that is, from sketching something out, trying to find somebody to do the CAD drawings, get a prototype, and go to manufacturing, and working with them pretty quickly. We got a prototype. It's a flexible sanding block. It's an innovative design. We've got stiffening rods that go, 3 of them that go in holes here and make it varying degrees of flexibility. It's an innovative product. And like any inventor, I came up with this idea. I wanted to move forward with it. And then, you look for someone to work with, and then you're worried, is someone going to steal my idea? Is there going to be a problem here? My initial contact with Jason, he sent me an NDA form already signed. I filled it out. He was more than willing to demonstrate, that he was willing to protect my idea. And yeah, that was really comforting, and it's been great working with them. And I do have a utility patent filed now, and the patent attorney made the comment that the drawings that CAD produced were the best she'd ever seen. She was able to file them directly and just make the patent application process easy. So again, pretty short order. I had some drawings sketched out, got some CAD drawings from CAD, made some tweaks, offered some awesome feedback and help on the design, and now got a prototype in my hand. I've been able to show it to customers, get feedback, and we are about ready to move into production. So I would highly recommend working with Jason and CAD. It's been a great experience for me so far. Thanks.